My name is Emma, and as an example of mechanical engineering, this video will be how to make your very own catapult. First, use the pair of scissors to make 2 notches on either side of 2 big popsicle sticks. Stack the remaining 8 popsicle sticks, one on top of the other, and wind a rubber band around each end of the stack. Next, take the 2 notch sticks and wind a rubber band around the notched end. Push one of the sticks into the stack with one stick under it. And push the popsicle stick stack closer to the notches. Use the hot glue to attach the bottle cap to the stick. And then have fun shooting pom-poms everywhere.